In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import IIF files into QuickBooks Online. If you've been managing your financial data, you know the importance of having everything organized and easily accessible. Importing your IIF files can streamline this process and help you stay on top of your financial game. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account to get started. After you're logged in, glance up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a little gear icon, which is the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu where you'll find various options for managing your QuickBooks account. From the Settings menu, look for the option that says Import Data. Don't worry if you're not seeing it immediately. Sometimes it helps to slowly scroll down a bit to spot it. Click on Import Data, and you'll be directed to a page that gives you a selection of data that you can import into your account. It's important to select the correct kind of data you intend to import, as this ensures that everything aligns well within your QuickBooks platform. After you've chosen the type of data, go ahead and click on Import. This step will prompt a new page to open, offering you the option to browse for your file. You'll see a button that says, Browse your file. Click that button, and a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. Now, you need to locate your IIF file on your computer. A helpful tip here is to make sure your files are well organized before you begin the import process, so you don't spend too much time searching for the correct file. If you have your IIF files saved in a specific folder, navigate to that folder and click on the IIF file you wish to import. Once you've selected it, click Open in the File Explorer window. Now QuickBooks will take it from here. It will begin the process of importing your data and integrating it into your existing records. You might need to wait a couple of moments for the import to finish, depending on the size of your file. And there you have it. You've successfully imported an IIF file into QuickBooks Online. This process not only saves you time, but also helps maintain accuracy in your financial records. Whenever you're ready to manage more data, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial simplifies your journey with QuickBooks Online. Remember to like the video if this was helpful and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.